Transmitted light, oblique light, L square. Transmitted light. In this examination, the document is viewed with the source of illumination behind and the light passing through the paper. Documents are subjected to this type of examination to determine the presence of erasures, matching of serrations, and some other types of alteration. As you can see, the light is behind the back. And the next one is oblique light. Oblique light examination, an examination with the illumination so controlled that it grazes or strikes the surface of the angle document from one side at very low angle. Decipherment of faded handwriting, determination of outline in trace forgery. As you can see, this is the example of oblique light. Next one is L square. A square or bloggy is often a result of slow, careful, and unnatural pen movement, suggesting that writer was drawing the letter rather than writing it habitually. It may indicate where a forgery tried to correct a defect in the stroke to make the letter appear more natural, often resulting in angular unnatural shape.